Discover a new world with Tech 3 innovation, where nothing is impossible. Today we're visiting beautiful downtown Austin at Bird Lake. And W. Richards Congress Avenue Bridge, located in the heart of downtown Austin, hosts the largest urban bat colony in the world, estimated at 1.5 million bats. It is a maternity colony, and female Mexican free-tailed bats raise an estimated 750,000 pups each year at the bridge. Visit us at tech3innovation.com and let's continue our journey together.
Tech 3 Innovation, for your aerial and ground 360-degree virtual tours, photography, and videography.